Right, so this is an acer Aspire 5920, all the classic screen flicker problems that's been plaguing my life for the last 6 to 12 months. It's been intermittent. It went away for about 6 months and then came back. I did make a previous video where I sorted out the LCD cable on the back of the LCD screen, which just runs in there. And it worked for about a day and a half, and then the flickering started again, which was very frustrating. So what I've done now is I've taken the power board off, or the power cover off there. You can see there's the button. Oops, upside down. Taking that off there. It's just a few screws which I'll show you on the back now. And it turns out that the problem, if you have a look closely here, seems to be this LCD cable. Now I've actually reseated this. I noticed last time I took it apart, because I take it apart in like every couple of days now to sort this cable out, that when I pulled it that way, it was causing screen flicker. And if you have a look at the way the cable, let's try and I can't really focus on that well, so I'll just pull the camera out a bit. You can see the cable's pulling on the all the way on the socket there, on the plug thing there, and that's what was causing the problem. So I've taken this, I've reseated the plug, and I've just literally got a piece of kitchen towel, a bit Heath Robinson, I know, but just stuff that in there, and fingers crossed that should work. I did take it to a repair centre last week, not because of the screen so much, but well, partly because of the screen, because I got so annoyed with the screen flickering that I threw the laptop on the floor and destroyed the hard drive. It was a bit of a headache. The guy in the laptop repair shop said that he thought it was the inverter. I didn't actually believe him, so like I say, I've taken it apart and it turns out it's not the inverter. The inverter's just there, you can see it there. That's absolutely fine. Played around with that before. It turns out it's the LCD cable. So yeah, let's. I'll put the power cover back on now and show you where the screws go. So if you fancy doing it yourself, you can make your own little home repair. Okay, so I've shut the computer down now. So I'll just show you where the screws go to release the power board and the power cover. You know, the thingy I was just pointing at. One screw in there. This is the hinge end of the laptop. Another screw in there, and then 3 little screws in the battery compartment. One just there. No, a bit fiddly, my sausage fingers. Another one there. And then another one there. So let's just tighten that back up. Like that's tightening. Right, I'll tighten those back up and I'll come straight back. Okay, so those are all tightened back up. Let's put the battery back in. Turn this baby over and fire it back up. Keep your fingers crossed, people, there's no screen flicker. You notice that where I've taken the screws off, there's these little plastic caps that can go back on. I just use Pritt stick just to glue those back on, so just makes it look neater. Okay, so I've started it back up. Don't think there's any screen flicker. What I'll do is just give it a bit of a wiggle. Yeah, nothing. If there's no flickering in the next couple of days, I'll post this on YouTube and you can enjoy the fruit of my labour. Okay, bye for now.